Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's open Muviz Arch application, and just to customize, for example, let's select the stem, tap here to apply, and if you want to change, for example, the backgrounds of this stem, so for example let's use this one, we should click to apply. If you want to change music control stem to hide them not after 30 seconds, for example from 10, or just to don't hide them, you should hold and swipe this dot on this panel. If you want to turn on or turn off notifications, you should just use this switcher just to show the date on AOD screen. We should also use this switcher, or if you want to turn it off, you should just use a switcher also. And we can change here the battery status just to show it always while you are charging, or just to don't show it. And for example, let's go to another settings here. Let's tap to X icon, switch AOD to the settings, click to always on display here. We can change shown on lock screen AOD time always while you are charging, when we'll play the music. Also we can use these features separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute to an hour. We can decrease or increase the brightness level. Also we can close it with double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock method, you can also use it to close AOD on screen off mode. Also we can set here the schedule, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode, and of the always on display mode, and to disable AOD during the calls. So that's it. There are all of the sound settings, the always on display settings, and that's how to customize always on display feature on our HTC. Saying thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.